So first I'm going to prime with Benefit's Professional.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you from the first.
Next, I'm using NYX's color correcting palette and just using the green shade on any redness I have. For foundation, I'll be using Maybelline's Fit Matte foundation and just applying that with a beauty blender.
I can only imagine us both loving.
To make my makeup last longer, I'm going to be using a translucent powder and just baking.
Side by side, I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be my favorite.
For eyebrows, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade as well as Benefit's Gimme Brow.
A symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony.
Next, to prime your eyes, I'm using Smashbox's eye primer. For eyeshadow, we'll be using the Urban Decay Naked palette, and you're going to start with the shade Naked, which is just a tan color, and set your eye primer to create a smoother base. And then after you use the color Naked, you're going to go in with the shade called Buck, and go at a downwards angle towards your crease and blend it as you can see in the video. And after you do that, we're going to be taking Creed, and you're going to apply that just like a cut crease and blend it out with a clean fluffy brush as well as some more with Buck, before finally you will go on to the color Virgin and apply that onto your brow bone. After that, you will be moving on to the lid color, which you will first use Half Baked and apply that with a very packing brush, I suppose, or a finger. After that, you will take the color Sin and pack that right on top to make it a lighter champagne-y gold, before going on with Stila's eye glitter. After that, brush away the excess powder underneath your eyes, leave the ones on your cheeks, and apply eyeliner. After applying eyeliner, you are then going to go in with your favorite mascara and false lashes. Brush the powder from off of your cheeks before contouring. I'll be using a darker contour shade than usual because of my spray tan. If you want, you could always do the contouring before you take off the powder for a sharper angle. But because my hair was up, I didn't want any lines. Use a soft mauve blush that is matte. I chose this one in particular from NYX because that line is one of my favorites. It's the ombre line. And then spray your face with a setting spray. I went ahead and used MAC Fix Plus before going in with my highlight. I love this palette. I don't think they still sell it, but I just combined a lighter champagne-y gold color with a white to give me a really, really strong highlight.
Imagine how it is to be with you from the first day I saw your face.
Choose a lip liner to make sure your lipstick lasts all night. I chose one from Milani. And then for lipstick, I went ahead and used Velvet Teddy from MAC. And a lip gloss is just a Maybelline one that you can find practically anywhere.
Imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.